How do you know if you're insulin resistant? Here are some signs to look out for. First, fatigue. I'm not just talking about feeling tired every now and then. Insulin resistance impairs your body's ability to use glucose for energy. So if you have insulin resistance, you're more likely to feel really tired and lethargic most of the time. It's just a general persistent low energy vibe, but it gets worse after meals. Cravings, especially cravings for sugar and carbohydrate. Insulin resistance can cause intense craving. It happens especially after eating. So you may eat and feel like you're still super hungry. It's because your cells are not absorbing and taking in glucose effectively, which leaves you feeling hungry even after you've eaten. Increased belly fat. This is also known as central obesity, and it's a very common sign of insulin resistance. Dark patches of skin, which may be a bit thicker and almost velvety in texture compared to the rest of your skin. This can happen on the back of your neck, under your arms, under your breasts, and in the groin area. Skin tags may also be a sign of insulin resistance. They're little pieces of extra skin, and they're often darker in color compared to your complexion. They're often found on the neck and the armpits. Brain fog may also be a symptom of insulin resistance, especially if you're finding it very difficult to concentrate. Your memory may be impaired, and you may just experience mental fatigue. There, of course, are other reasons why you may be experiencing these symptoms, but in particular, insulin resistance may cause glucose metabolism in the brain to be affected. Insulin resistance may also go hand in hand with high blood pressure. High insulin levels can cause your kidneys to hold on to sodium, which can increase your blood pressure. Irregular menstrual cycles may also be a sign of insulin resistance. That's because insulin resistance can impact ovulation and cause irregular or absent periods. 70% of people with PCOS will have insulin resistance. You may also experience symptoms of low blood sugar, things like sweating, feeling faint, irritability, dizziness, and intense hunger. So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, speak to your doctor about getting tested for insulin resistance.